Are there other reasons why people really should migrate away from checks to digital?
Yeah, it's a much more secure payment method. I live in a community that actually has a lot of older individuals, and there's still lots of checks going out through our mailbox. We have one mailbox within our neighborhood.
Hmm.
And just 2 weeks ago, someone in the middle of the night put a chain around it and yanked it out with a big 4x4 truck and stole the entire mailbox. Well, over the next couple of days, across four different banks, checks were cashed that were deposited in that mailbox.
Wow.
Again, sounds like a made up story, but it happened absolutely. Check fraud is still a big part of our society. It still happens. Moving more towards ACH or moving towards allowing a third party like Bill to actually cut checks on your behalf increases that security, eliminates that check fraud possibility for you, and really takes that out of the ballgame. So it's something you don't have to worry about. Another thing too is within Bill, positive pay with checks and NACHA files, which a lot of your listeners
Hmm.
probably deal with on a day-to-day basis. We eliminate that too, because all of our checks that we issue on your behalf, if we do issue a check, have positive pay on them, and we take care of facilitating that ACH payment. So there's no NACHA files that are required.